Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step on how to disable Password Reset Protect on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open X in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on the More icon to access additional settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account preferences. From here, click on Security and Account Access, then choose Security to proceed to the security settings. Now, locate the Password Reset Protect option. This feature is designed to add an extra layer of security when resetting your password, but if you want to disable it, simply click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your account password for verification. Type in your password carefully, and then click Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Password Reset Protect on your X account. By following these simple steps, you can adjust your security settings to better suit your preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks for managing your X account.